We've got so much. We've got master mixology.
Yeah, can make some
which I love doing mixology. It's one of my favourite things. Somebody's just sent me a message. I bet you somebody up at the pool deck going, "What did you say?" So we got mixology, where somebody is going to actually get a chance to have their drink on the menu for the whole week, for the whole cruise. So your drink.
Alright, so one bag of Reese's peanut butter cups and then one bag of the chocolate money. I like to keep that in the cups. You know what I'm talking about? When I say chocolate money, like nickels, dimes, quarters, and then chocolate, I keep those in the car. I don't eat them. I give them to the homeless. No big deal. So.
I think my nan had curtains out of this material.
That's like a tablecloth my nana used to have.
We digress.
Okay.
We digress.
This is the worst thing you can put me on, okay? Because I just filter off. I'm like, you know that dog from Up? Squirrel! I'm just like that.
And 4 other girls to join us on stage for this round.
Go select 4 ladies. Now, you know, get involved. Make sure you take part. Come on, if you put your hands up, come down. Come down to her.
Come on, guys.
She doesn't need to pick you. Just come on down. Come on down. 4 of you. Come on. She doesn't need to pick you. Come on down if you want to help.
Right, we got 3. We need 1 more.
Come on down. She'll help. We got 1. We got 2.
There we go. We got
Who's in line? 3 and 4. We got our 4. We got our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Here we go. So we got 4 plus the captain.
Yeah. So this round is called freeze frame. It's a great round. The idea is, remember guys, there's no point, it's just thing. Me and Peter are going to take a step to the side for a moment, and we are going to give you a scene. You guys at the end, because she was...
I want to know why he's pooping at the urinal. There's limits to what I'll contend with in a men's restroom, and if you're going to do that right there with no walls or windows, just not right, pal. That's just not cricket. Okay, so they both went with pretty decent ones. You get the gist here, but I think we should do a...
Let's do a more fun one. Let's do something a bit more... Now guys, I will admit girls, the guys might have had a bit of an advantage in this one. So this one, maybe you've got the advantage. Are you both teams ready? This scene, we want a baby delivery room. We want the scene of somebody giving birth.
Room.
Somebody giving birth right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze!
Freeze! Freeze! Freeze!
Right.
I said freeze!
Peter. I didn't hear that. What was that?
Nothing. No, it's not on the list. No!
Pickles.
Which means we have a chance to steal.
Hang on, let me just... Seriously, when was the last time your man sat down in his man cave eating a jar of pickles and peanuts? Who gave you them answers? That is so weird. If you gave them, she gave them answers. I know you did, I see you.
Which means...
Your man sits in his room eating pickles and peanuts. He's a weirdo.
Which means, guys, this is our chance to steal. There are 5 good answers. Please pick one of them.
I'm gonna go with pizza.
Pizza? What were the other 4 that they could have picked? What were the other 4 that the girls could have picked?
Oh, you could have picked popcorn, pie, Pringles. Pineapple?
Yeah.
You picked pineapple?
Pineapple. You know what happens if you eat a lot of pineapple?
What?
I can't say it at the PG show, but it's...
Okay. So...
Which means the guys get to steal the pint. Who let the dogs out? That's 2-all. 2-all. And guys...
Okay!
Is on the list. It really goes to show how shallow the girls in the fun squad are. That
I was just stretching, that's all I was doing, stretching. PG. It was a full
you also could have had arms. No,
arms,
guys.
okay, he said muscles. Muscles could be pecs, it could be legs, it could be...
It's not... No, it's not specific enough. No, guys.
But the prizes are crap, okay? Who runs the world?
Joking.
Batman smells.
Oh, you can't repeat the song.
No, we're gonna say it up here, Grace.
What?
Technically.
Hang on, Jingle Bells, okay. There's 2 versions of Jingle Bells.
No.
You stand over here because the team captain off stage. Come closer together. So, we're starting here. Taking it to...
I'm so fan.
I would walk up.
I'm bringing.
Dashing through the snow.
I don't know.
Jingle bells! Jingle bells, jingle bells! Get off the stage! Thought you catch me out with another line, didn't you?
That's okay. But we have to say...
Dashing through the snow is from Jingle Bells. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh.
It is the same song! Come and sing it, someone, come on. This girl is saying it's definitely the same song.
Fine,
So,
she's gonna sing
Go.
Jingle Bells from...
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open.
yes, I knew it was! Off the stage. I knew it was! You're sneaky! Even he heard that one and he's 80 hard of hearing. From either one of you, or both of you, whatever you want to write down, what do you think that parrot would have learned from you? Oh, I can't wait for it to write this down. Parrots pick up phrases that are commonly said all the time. So what do you normally say to him at night time, or when do you scream something at him, or what do you say to him? Well, then just write what that might be down. Oh, okay. He doesn't think that. So, last question. Now, I need you to look at me, okay? Turn around and look at me. Just glance over this way, okay? Yeah, she is. She's freaking me out a little bit, actually. It's a bit embarrassing having to do this in front of you two. For ice cream! Where was the best place? Yeah. You write it down. What you got there, Bob? Which one? You're thinking? Oh, there must have been a lot of times. And after 60 years, I'm surprised. But there's always one that stands out. This is your daughter? Oh, lovely. Wait till you hear this one. I bet she was in your house or something like that. All 3 of your kids are in this song? There was no ice cream involved. Who just said to the store that there was no ice cream involved? How do you think she got here? What, the store delivered her? Oh, do you know what would be great if there's grandkids here as well? No way! Where are the grandkids? Oh, you're gonna hear a load of great granddad and granny.
One hop this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Cha-cha, real smooth.
Come on, everybody get into it.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Cha-cha, now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Chop, chop, real smooth.
Cha-cha.